For just $349, I have one of the best portable power stations on the market that money can buy. This is the EcoFlow Delta 2. Let's check it out. In the age of power outages and grid failures, this unit is a must-have. When it comes to the specs, this unit packs a lot into its small size. It has a capacity of 1,024 watt-hours, which can run a full-size fridge for up to 7 to 10 hours or charge a laptop up to 16 times. It has a continuous output of 1,800 watts on the AC and has X-Boost up to 2,200 watts. One of the most important things is the LiFe PO4 battery composition, which can last up to 3,000 cycles, which is approximately 10 years of daily use. It also comes in at only 27 pounds, which isn't too bad for the size of the unit. It has a maximum AC wall charge of 1,200 watts and a maximum solar charge of 500 watts. One of the greatest features of the EcoFlow Delta 2 is its solar capabilities. The EcoFlow Delta 2 is equipped with up to 500 watts of solar charging. For example, right here, I have the EcoFlow 160 watt folding panel, as well as a 100 watt standard panel plugged into this unit. Now, your solar capabilities may vary depending on the time of the year. Right now, at the end of November, with some obstruction through the trees and a very low sun angle, I'm getting about 100 watts of solar input from 260 watts of panels. So depending on your angle, depending on where the sun is, depending on the time of year, your input may vary. But the EcoFlow Delta 2 will tell you exactly how long it'll take to get to a full charge. So with 90 watts of input, it'll take about 5 hours for me to fully charge this thing to 100%. This panel right here is their 160 watt folding panel, which you can purchase from their website or through Amazon. One of the most versatile panels that you can buy, especially if you go camping or have off-grid lifestyle. It folds into 3 sections and fits into a small bag. Right here is the bag that it goes into, very portable. It's got a handle on it, zips up and folds away. If you're interested in that, I got a link in the description for that one, as well as this 100 watt Renogy panel, which goes on sale every once in a while. During Black Friday, sometimes it goes even as low as $65. This one's not as portable, but it's more set up for a permanent attachment, something on a rooftop or on a van, or something where you're not moving it around a lot. Depending on your needs, there's so many different solar options that you can use to charge the EcoFlow. Like I said earlier, it takes up to 500 watts of charging, so you can do 5 of those panels or a couple of those panels, and you'll be set. When it comes to the setup, it's relatively simple. It just uses a standard solar connector right in the back of the EcoFlow, and I'm running a rather long wire which goes off into a Y connector that can connect up to 4 separate panels. Each of these panels use XT60 connections that are standard in the solar industry. It runs from each panel down to this receiver and branches off back into this cable into the EcoFlow. When it comes to ports, this unit covers all the bases. It has 6 AC outlets which put out pure sine wave, 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-A fast charge ports, 2 USB-C ports, and 2 DC outputs. It also has connectivity to the EcoFlow app, which allows you to monitor activity through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. When it comes to a real-world test, we have a pretty standard-sized chest freezer here connected up to the EcoFlow Delta 2 down here. So we pull down real quick. We'll see. Right now it's on standby, so it's going to run this thing for up to 69 hours, which is pretty insane. But once the unit kicks on, obviously it'll be drawing a little bit more power. Let's just check it out real quick. You can see the unit is functioning correctly. The lights are on, everything's cold in there, and that can run a pretty long time, especially if you're not opening it and closing it. The compressor won't need to kick on, and it'll be running indefinitely pretty much. One of my personal favorite uses for the EcoFlow is using it to power my live stream setup. I actually don't have any outlets on this side of the room, so I plug in this power strip set right into the EcoFlow and powers my camera, my laptop, my lighting, and everything I need, and it lasts indefinitely because those types of equipment barely use any power. So as you can see, there's so many different uses that you can have with this EcoFlow. You can use it to power your refrigerator. You can use it to power your camera equipment, to power your laptop, your phone. If you're in a pinch in a power outage and you need to power something more heavy like a toaster or a coffee pot or some type of appliance, it can handle it. And it's pretty amazing how much power they store into something that only weighs 27 pounds. If you're looking for a quick way to charge it or just don't want to use solar panels, it comes with an AC power cord that can charge the unit from 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes, or 0 to 100% in just 80 minutes. Right now I'm at 63%, so 64% actually, so in a matter of minutes, this thing will be fully charged and ready to go. You can also get some different accessories for the EcoFlow. One of my favorite ones is this bag. It has vent ports on each side, a door to get into the front ports, allows you to see all your ports and your screen. It has the same thing where it has a door For all the back ports, it allows you to charge and get all your outlets at the same time. A pretty nice little bag on the side so you can store stuff, 2 carrying handles, and a carrying strap. And with something that weighs 27 pounds, it's kind of nice to have a strap on it, depending on where you're bringing it. So when it comes down to it, for $349, you're getting a unit that is jam-packed full of features. Multiple port options, USB, USB-C, AC outlets, car charging, solar charging, super fast house charging, all for $349 with the capacity to run a fridge for up to 10 hours, run TVs, charge your laptop 16 times, charge your phone tens of times over. For $349, the EcoFlow Delta 2 might just be the best portable power station you could buy on the market. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll have links in the description below for all the products that I featured in this video, including the EcoFlow Delta 2. For the price, you really can't beat it. $349 is the lowest price I've ever seen on this unit, so don't forget to grab it before the price goes away. I have so many more videos on this channel regarding tools and outdoor videos and outdoor content. I appreciate if you guys would check that out. And also, leave a comment in the comments below. Would you buy this unit? Do you have one like it? Do you have something similar? I've had this unit for over a year and I've found so many uses for it. It's really one of the best ones on the market. So thanks again, have a great day, keep us in your prayers, God bless, and we'll see you in the next one.